Hey Pillars, welcome back to another cycling review. We're going to be taking a look at the Suke cycling kit. Is this the most affordable cycling kit that you can buy that is also high quality as well? Now this is a company out of China, so we'll be taking a look at it in depth. We'll be doing a riding first impression, a riding review, also taking a look at the features and functionality of this kit specifically. So we have all those shots ready to go, and we're going to jump into that right now. Now taking a closer look at the jersey features, the fabric is 80% nylon and 20% spandex. It has a silicone waist gripper which keeps your jersey bottom in place while you ride. The zipper design is fully open zipper closure with high-end YKK zipper, rear pocket design which ensures items stay in place, and reflective features which is great for safety and visibility, and it has tight arms. So for $89 USD retail, I think this looks amazing because it looks like such a high-end jersey but just a fraction of the price with all the same features. Now taking a look at the bottoms feature in terms of the bib, the fabric is very high quality, 80% nylon, 20% spandex. The straps are very comfortable and breathable, so it wicks away sweat very efficiently, which I'm very impressed with. Now the padding, which we will take a closer look at right now, I personally wasn't a big fan of this padding. I think it's a little bit too big, and that's why Suke went along and created more of a race fitting bib. I'd say this is for an all-around cyclist, but I'm used to a very laser cut style. So in terms of the padding, it has 6 layers of density memory foam, so it does get the job done, but I'm just, like I said, used to more laser cut bibs. But in terms of it doing the job, if this is your first bib, this will be way better than anything I used when I first started. It does have grippers on the legs, so in terms of when you put these bibs on, they won't be moving up and down during the ride. So this gel is really high quality. I was really impressed. And taking a look back at the jersey, it does have this reflective piece, which is great for just visibility early in the mornings, or if you're riding at sunset, you will be seen. So I'm very impressed by all these features, and the bibs only retail for $42.99, and the entire set is $127. So I'm currently wearing the Suke jersey and bibs, as you guys can see, and so far so good. I really do like the jersey. Then again, it's a little bit loose here, but this should be my size. And then in terms of the pants, I don't like the chamois that much. I think it's overly big, so I think Suke has to refine it a little bit. But still, for a beginner jersey at not too high of a price range, it should be more than fine. So that's my initial review so far. Obviously this is just first week of riding it, finally getting outside to train again. So other than how it looks, just they need to refine the chamois. That's my only complaint. But other than that, I'll give you guys a long-term update pretty soon. But for the price, you really can't go wrong for the set. As a beginner, that's what I'm going to stress, as a beginner 100%, but as someone who's experienced nicer quality bib shorts, it's not at that level yet. So in terms of refinement, they're very close, but I just wouldn't give it necessarily 100% for the chamois. But the shirt, the bib, the jersey is actually very nice. So this is me cycling with my riding friend Georgi. He is a national road cyclist for the Georgia national team. So in terms of him knowing his way around a bike and racing and knowing good equipment from poor equipment, he is definitely an expert. And he was saying the exact same thing I was saying about the bibs in terms of the chamois. It could be a little bit smaller. Me racing as well and putting lots of kilometers such as him, we know our way around a bib. So it just had to be a little bit smaller. But in terms of a very affordable one, this is still decent. We've done long rides with these bibs, so in terms of them holding up for a beginner cyclist, that's where I think this bib really excels. Now the jersey, I think, is top notch. I don't really think they have to change that much with the jersey, and he said the same thing, that the jersey was very nice. But the only thing they have to change for the bib is give a version that is a little bit smaller for the chamois, and that's what they're doing. And that version is called the BS1601 and the BS1062. So that's going to be coming out, and we will be doing a review on that. But for a beginner, this was way better than anything I had. had, he was saying the exact same thing Georgi was saying. For a beginner that's on a budget, this still does the job very well, and it's actually a little bit better than some of the stuff that they currently have as well. Now we are on the Suke website, and I want to show you guys the option and selection that they have on their website. And I'm a big fan of minimalism and just simplicity, so you can see they have a wide variety of jerseys that are just very plain, and they have minimalism in terms of having their logos very small. So I do like that. On the bibs, you can see they have the Suke logo, but from the videos it's not that big of a deal. I don't think it really wrecks the jersey, and they have some more flashy designs if that's what you like. I personally don't like that too much, but they look pretty cool. I like this jersey. Not a big fan of this one, but they have a wide variety, and you can see the prices are very reasonable. For a jersey and bibs, they're only charging 150 USD. The prices are in American dollars. And taking a look at the jersey that they specifically sent me, they sent me this one right here, and that is 127 USD for the bibs and the jersey. And taking a look at the other one that we had the National Georgian Rider test for us, it was this one right here, and that's 153 USD for the bib and jersey. Now hopefully after this video you have a better understanding of the quality that Suke is providing at an affordable price. And the only thing that I personally was not that big of a fan of, now the Georgian cyclist, he thought the bibs were really good for him, but in my opinion I am a little bit more picky when it comes to the chamois and the padding that bibs usually have to offer. And it was really nice after talking to Suke personally, they were able to actually put out a new line of bibs, and they actually did some changes compared to the bibs that I had on. So basically it comes in 4 new colors that we have on screen right now, and basically they just made the fit more of a race cut. They upgraded the chamois, and basically it's lighter. They size cut it better, more breathable, more comfortable for long rides, 2 to 3 hour rides. It's grippier, extra width for the waist. So you know, they basically redesigned it, and they will be sending that out for me to test, and I'm very excited to see the difference in terms of quality. These bibs are actually going right now for $89 USD, and then this one also 100 USD. So I think that's very reasonable for a high quality bib. And you know, the fact that this one is so reasonably priced, you know, I'm very excited to see how this one is for a racer. And that's one thing I hope you guys do understand, that we will be doing a long-term test on these bibs and jerseys. I'm only just getting back after having surgery and being off the bike for around 9 months or so. So the fact that I'm finally getting back into training, I didn't want to give us a long-term review as of right now, because I haven't done that many kilometers. But now that I'm in Georgia and in Europe, the climbs, the mountains, lots of riding. I'm riding with the national team, so there's gonna be lots of content, and I'm just excited to really test products. Other than, I'm very appreciative Suke, you sent me this, but there will be other products that I test as well while I'm here in Europe. Well, I'm not leaving anytime soon. So with that being said, if you guys do want to check out the Suke line that they have, pick something up. If you guys really do need a good, affordable, quality jersey and bib, then I do have a discount code, link in the description. It is Peddler, so P-E-D-A-L-E-R, and you will get 10% off at checkout. And with that being said, like this video, subscribe to the channel. I'm excited to do a long-term review with Suke products. So until the next one, keep on pedaling.